If you are coming to Kyoto from the US, one of the major ways would be to arrive at Kansai International Airport (KIX) in Japan. In this video, I will show you how to get to Kyoto from KIX. First of all, let me tell you that there are several ways to get to Kyoto from Kansai International Airport, such as using a limousine bus. But I recommend using JR's Haruka Express train and taking a cab from JR Kyoto Station to the hotel. So I will show you how to do that in this video. I will also explain why I recommend this method later, so please watch this video until the end. I will try to make this video as concise as possible and without omitting any important information. Don't forget to subscribe, not to say later, where was that video? With the method I recommend, the train ride is 1 hour and 20 minutes. If you consider that after the plane lands, you have to pick up your suitcase, go through customs, buy a train ticket, get a cab in Kyoto, and finally arrive at your hotel, it can take up to 3 hours after landing in Japan. I definitely want you to watch this video because you have to do a lot of things after a long flight while being nervous about whether you will arrive at your hotel safely during those 3 hours. Okay, let's get started. First, go through customs and out the arrival entrance. This shows what international arrivals look like. But no matter where you arrive from, look at the signs and follow the direction of the railways. There's a currency exchange right next to the arrival entrance. There are also several service counters for prepaid and rental SIMs and Wi-Fi. International arrivals are on the first floor and the train station is on the second floor, so the first thing you have to do is to go to the second floor. The escalators are easy to find, but look for the elevator entrance, which is close but not visible from the arrival gate. There are convenience stores, fast food restaurants, and pharmacies on the second floor, so if you want to buy something before boarding the train, finish your shopping on this floor. This is a good place to shop, especially if you will be arriving late in Kyoto. Once you exit the elevator again, follow the signs that are everywhere so you won't miss them. Okay, I can see the station now. What the heck? There are 2 lines? Don't worry, remember, the blue one is the line to Kyoto. Ignore the orange. The blue one is the JR station. JR stands for Japan Railways and it takes only 1 hour and 20 minutes from Kansai Airport to Kyoto by express train without changing trains. JR is a large railroad company with tracks all over Japan, and you will probably ride it several times during your stay in Japan. The Shinkansen bullet train you may take to get from Kyoto to Tokyo is also operated by JR. Before boarding a JR train, there is something you should keep in mind. JR trains are broadly divided into express and other types. Let's call them Type A and Type B. Type A includes special trains that go very fast to distant destinations, such as the Shinkansen bullet train and Haruka Express, the train you are about to take. Type B includes local trains that stop at all stations and rapid trains that only stop at major stations. Both types have a base rate determined by the distance traveled. Only for Type A, an express fee is added in addition to the basic fee. If you take a Type B train from Kansai Airport to Kyoto, you will eventually arrive, but it will take forever. So don't try to save money and do that. Spending some extra money is just faster, easier, just better. Save your time and energy. When you go to the ticket machines, you will see 2 colors of machines, blue and green. And if you use a green machine, you can buy a ticket that includes both a basic fare and an express fare. The reason I want to tell you this is because if you ride the express with the regular tickets, the conductor will say, "Hey, why are you riding this train without the express ticket?" And you don't want any troubles like this at the end of your long day, right? Now I can finally explain how to use the ticket machine. The green ones. When operating such a machine, always look for the button to switch to English first. There you go.
Please select a ticket type. Please select a section for the basic fare ticket. Please don't forget your card and ticket. If you need a receipt, press the receipt button. Issuing tickets now. Please don't forget your card and ticket. Please take your card. Please take your ticket. Thank you very much.
Once you have purchased your ticket, all you have to do is board the train. If you have a ticket without a seat reservation, take the next Haruka train that comes along. If you have a reserved seat ticket, check the departure time, your car and seat number and board the train. As of 2024, when this video is being produced, the Haruka trains have a Hello Kitty design. There is a place to put your suitcase between the cars. Also, if your luggage is not that large, you can place it between the seats and there is an overhead luggage storage area. The conductor will come to check your ticket only if you are seated in an unreserved seat. Even if you purchase a reserved seat, you must have your ticket to leave the station in Kyoto, so don't lose it. These are the ticket prices. Reserved seats cost 530 yen more than non-reserved seats, but I recommend reserved seats. Green car is a special car with larger seat size and higher fare. Okay, now you are in Kyoto. After you get off the train, find the information for the central exit. That's the ticket gate you want to use. When I made this video, I took the last train from Kansai International Airport to Kyoto. So it will soon be midnight. When you exit the ticket gate, you will see Kyoto Tower in front of you. Please go to the right. There's a cab. In Japan, cab doors are opened automatically by the driver. Now, finally, let me explain why I recommend a combination of Haruka and cab to get from Kansai Airport to your hotel in Kyoto. First, while limousine buses are one of the main ways to get from Kansai Airport to Kyoto, I just like Haruka more. Riding the train, you can get a closer look at how people live in Japan by going over bridges and railroad crossings, seeing shopping areas near large stations, seeing rice fields, and passing close to homes. It was already at night when I took this video, but it would be much easier to see them in the daytime. And once you get to Kyoto station, it is very difficult to get on the subway or bus with large suitcases, and the buses can be very crowded. People may think your suitcase is in the way. Cabs are a bit more expensive but just easier. They will take you right to your hotel. If your hotel is in the downtown area, 2,000 yen from Kyoto station should be enough. It's about $15. Here are the key points to remember. At Kansai Airport, follow the signs to the train station. Take the JR line marked in blue. Use the green ticket vending machine to buy a ticket. When you arrive at Kyoto station, go out through the central ticket gate. Go to the right and you will find a cab stand. The total cost of Haruka ticket and the cab should be around 4,000 to 5,000 yen, depending on the location of your hotel. This is about 30 to 35 bucks. From the time you get off the plane to the time you get to your hotel room, you should expect it to take about 3 hours. Kyoto is a relatively large city, so why no airport, you may think? Sorry, we just don't have one. Because of the need to travel by train, I wanted to make it as smooth as possible, so I created this video. In addition to this video, there are other ones with useful information on this channel for your trip to Kyoto, so please watch them as well. Konnichiwa! Did you like my video? My name is Yuki. I do dyeing and art in Kyoto. I have American customers and friends who come to visit the studio where I work, so I've completed some useful information for them on YouTube. You can become Kyoto ready by watching all the videos here. If you are interested in what I usually do as an artist, check out my work on Instagram. And if you'd like to come visit my studio, send me a DM from there. Don't forget to tell your friends about this channel. Have a nice trip!